Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Amit Digital. Today I am here with another real estate template design in Canva. Let's start the video. See, this is the final output we are going to create today. Take a social media size first. Now add some image and make it background image. Now search circle frame. Add it to your canvas. Now add your villa image to frame. First duplicate your villa image also. Both images should be in same size. Now insert your first image in circle frame and stretch the complete image. Now lock the frame to make smooth work. Now drag copy of villa at canvas and keep at top of layer. Now remove the background. I think we need to move circle image little bit upwards. Now adjust your top villa image accordingly. Now add rectangle shape for price tag. Now copy the rectangle for location and amenities also. Now add the rest content one by one. Amenities icon options also available here. You can adjust according to your project. Now align the text and icons. You can select all and just click on 3 dots and align the elements. Now add a family pic to make it more engaging. Now add some catchy tagline. Add some birds also. Now your creative will look more impressive. Now one thing we are missing, contact number. Let's adjust some space for contact information. Now add your detail here. Finally add your logo. Now your design is ready. I have also given the link of this template in the description box. You can edit this design according to you. Thank you friends. Please support my channel. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more tips and tricks of digital marketing. Thank you.